In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website management experience. To start, let's head over to wix.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're accessing the right site, so make sure your credentials are ready to go. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific site you're planning to edit. Open this site in the Wix Editor or Wix Studio Editor, which you'll find in your dashboard. This interface is your main tool for crafting the visual and functional aspects of your website. Understanding grid lines is crucial to make the most of the Wix Editor. Grid lines mark the safe content area of your site. Anything placed within these lines will display properly across most devices, ensuring a consistent appearance whether your site is viewed on a desktop or a smartphone. While grid lines are preset to a certain width, don't hesitate to customize them according to your design needs. To adjust grid lines in the Wix Editor Classic, first make sure grid lines are activated. Look to the top bar, click on Tools, and ensure grid lines are checked. Now, if you need to tweak these settings, head over to the Page Layout Optimizer. Alternatively, you can also select a strip or section of your page, then simply drag the edges inward or outward to modify the grid line width. Keep in mind that these changes will affect only the chosen strip or section, so each area can have its own customized setting. Now let's dive into grid line adjustments using Wix Studio. In Wix Studio, grid lines are integrated into the grid layout system. Begin by selecting the specific section you're working on. Then look to the right side of your screen for the inspector panel where you'll find the layout menu. Enter the grid settings to adjust columns and margins. This adjustment defines where your content grid lines will appear, giving you control over the layout across different sections of your site. Once you've made your adjustments, previewing these changes is a game changer. By switching to preview mode, you can see exactly how your website's grid line alterations look on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. This feature is essential to ensure that your site maintains a professional and tailored look, no matter what device visitors are using. Finally, after fine-tuning your design and checking it in preview mode, you're ready for the grand reveal. Hit that publish button to make your site updates live for the world to see. Once that's done, be sure to click on Done to conclude your editing session. This final step ensures all your changes are saved and properly implemented across your site. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to refine your website's design. Happy editing!